Hello friends, and welcome to another Amazon product unboxing and review. So we have this madesmart 2-tier organizer with dividers. So things to help unclutter your workspace or area. This one's got a lot of these little zip ties on here. There's two. Man, that one's, how to get that one off of there. So this, if I can get it off, there it is, it's down inside there. Okay, I think that's all of them. Okay, this has a pretty much just like a durable plastic finish here. Plastic little containers with metal, looks like to be stainless steel wires here, or supports. What is holding this on here? Okay. Movable dividers with dry erase area, sturdy base, supports up to 30 pounds. And that's slidable and stackable. Okay, so apparently these will just snap into place on this area right here. Just goes up there and locks into place. Just like that. Okay. So just kind of pop in like that. Looks actually pretty sturdy there. Okay, and this one goes on top. So it has a little notch right here, and the metal bar just goes in there and kind of just snaps into place on that. And same thing on this side. Get it in there and it just pops in. There we go. Should hear a little pop noise there. All right, that's actually kind of sturdy, not really going anywhere. Let's get our baskets out here. Do we have any more zip tie things holding this on there? Yes, of course we do. All right, we have one more right there, little goodie. And that one's on there pretty tight. Got it, okay. I was wondering why it wasn't moving. Okay, there we go. It has some instructions in here, how to set it up. 2-level storage dividers, those can just pop out pretty much like that. Okay, and it also has these little dividers as well. So just like that, and these feature a couple of those little bumps on the top. Makes it so it'll fit anywhere in these holes here on the sides, so that's pretty cool. And I think even, yes, if I'm not mistaken, you could join these together on one of these too, so you could do a divider this way as well. They only come with 2 dividers, which is not bad. If they came with some more, that'd be kind of cool, but not really necessary. All right, so these fit up on top like this. There's one. And then they can slide in and out. But what I did was I guess I installed it backwards because the back part is here. So I'm just going to pop this off and flip it around here. It just pops off like that. Okay, and then we're just going to flip it that way. So our back portion is with the back portion right there. Now we can pop it back on. Hear the click noise, and these ones as well. Okay. actually seems like it's fairly sturdy. And that's going to go on there like that. Then you can put it in your drawers or something. And if you have other stuff in there, it will tip if you pull this out here. So it's not going to, it doesn't have rails, so it's going to keep it in place. This bottom one kind of, because it'll be held there. What's also kind of cool about this is it has a little spot on the front. You can use like a dry erase pen, and for your organizing, you can write it right here. So you can put, if you're not able to see where it is, like cleaning or something like that. Okay, that's kind of not the greatest pen I have here. And then it just wipes right off of there. So that's kind of cool. There it is there. I'm going to get this set up. We'll show you the final results here, guys. But if you want to grab these off of Amazon, this one runs about $21.50, $21.49. It's currently on sale. So this is an Amazon bestseller. It says it'll hold up to 30 pounds. And I believe it. It's actually pretty sturdy. It only got those two little wires holding them up there, but it seems like it's pretty strong there. So looks like pretty durable. And also I like that it's nice plastic. Looks like some pretty thick plastic. If you do spill something in here, should be able to just rinse it right out. So if you are using it for bathroom stuff like that, and you get a spill in there, no problem, just dump it out and wash it real quick and you're ready to go again. So yeah, I'll link this in the description below if you guys want to check it out. We'll go ahead and get it set up for how we're going to use it, and I'll show you guys that. So there we are. Well, we use this under the cabinet here for the bathroom, and got the boys' things separated into two different things. So what's nice about these is they have this little handle here also, pull out. They don't stay out here like this, so that's just something to watch out for, so you don't think that they're hinged in there and they just fall out. So they are, but it's easy to just take them out, pull out what you need for access, easy access, and then just slides back in there. And they seem rather sturdy too. So here's these things here. It's just really kind of a handy thing. I think these are multiples, so you could put in another one also and probably stack more on top. These are sturdy enough as to where probably you could get away with 4 on top of each other. If you're just doing like lighter stuff, it's 30 pounds, so you could do quite a bit. So yeah, these are super handy. The little divider, like I said, can be switched out for if you want a bigger compartment there. Or I wonder if you could buy like a couple more. That'd be kind of cool if you wanted for smaller separations in your small little compartments there. So that's how it turns out, guys. Not a bad deal here. I'll link this in the description below if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. If you need some nice little cupboard space organizers or for whatever else. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.